Today we got a video from Crime Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Woman Gets Jumped at Bar After Hit and Run.
On June 8th, 2025, officers on a bar patrol were approached by a group of women claiming to have been physically assaulted by another woman in a hit and run.
No, it's very dangerous.
Do you need paramedics?
Right here. I want to find that girl because her and her friend just jumped me.
Okay. I know, I want to help you.
Relax, hold on. I need to explain to them, Tola. She was like, my sister worked with some girl, and we skirted off. We went on about our way. We made sure that she was okay. We went on about this way. That girl followed my sister, crashed her, and our scooters are still over there on the floor, and assaulted my sister and said, haha, you wrecked me and now I wrecked you. And then her and her friend started punching my sister. And that's where they're walking to. They're over there right now.
So are the other girls over there?
Are the other girls over there?
Yes. Yeah, for sure. I mean, you see my sister was just okay. No, somebody was right here with you.
I'll catch up here.
What, did you have him?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's still right over there.
Okay.
Her and that whole group.
Are you wanting to press charges?
I am.
Okay. What is she wearing?
She's wearing, let's see, she's wearing, I think, a black body. She's wearing maroon. A black body. A girl wearing maroon. I mean, look at her face.
Yeah, where's she at?
Right over there. That whole group right there.
Top?
That whole group.
Oh, they spotted him.
This is the
Oh yeah, it's about to go down now. Oh, they took off.
Police department, you're being detained.
Oh, they took off.
Get away, get away.
Get on the ground. I didn't do nothing.
Why you running?
Damn thing.
Check the police cameras, please.
I'm okay. So you're detained, okay? Okay, for what? Why are you gonna try to run? You're with her, okay? Okay. So you guys were involved in alleged battery, okay? So you guys are both detained.
Migos? Watch your mouth. Press. Mouth to mouth. Ah! Nikki said, niggas is pressed. A minister mouth to mouth. Like, oh, Lord. Y'all don't hear the music, though? Okay. See, look. See, that's what happens when the weather start getting nice and summertime out. Ooh. We everybody in that better mood. You know what I'm saying?
Damn thing.
Check the police cameras, please.
I'm okay. So you're
Motorsport.
okay, for what? Why are you gonna try to run? You're with her, okay? Okay. So you guys were involved in alleged battery, okay? So you guys are both detained. We're gonna complete our investigation, but you're under arrest for illegal. Yep. Fleeing eluding police on foot.
What do you mean? How was you coming in the car?
What you doing? You can outrun us. Come do that. Everything was caught on camera.
Hey, let's go. Let's start walking.
No, that's not what happened. Can you please check the cameras? That's not my friend. I don't know.
Come on, they playing that music the whole time. Y'all trying to give me copyright? What's up?
So why were you?
Turn that shit off. Oh man, come on. Cut the music. Take the phone, man.
So here's the thing, if you were to just stop and talk with us, you'd be getting summoned to court, and you'd be going home now. But if you want to run from police, you'll get arrested.
Okay.
Guys, please check the camera.
Don't run from police.
I'll fight this, please. She hit me first.
Don't run from police.
You hit me first, bro. Can you get that? Yeah, see, she's hitting me. She
Keep going. Keep going. Get her out. Get you on 29.
first, right?
We're walking. We're walking.
She hit me first, right? She hit me first, right?
Okay, well.
She hit me first,
Relax.
guys, please, she hit me first. I promise.
Careful.
Yeah, but you was running.
I promise, please.
Listen, calm down. You gotta calm down.
But you're arresting me.
Listen, we're arresting you for fleeing and evading our foot.
No, Christian,
I was
my
right
boyfriend
behind
was
you.
like, let's get to the car now. Let's just go home.
No.
Please, I promise.
You heard us. We made announcements that we were police.
No, I didn't.
Listen. We made announcements that we were police. You hit the corner and started running.
No.
You knew we were back there.
No, I didn't.
Eric,
I
just
was-
caught in time.
Christian was like, let's go before.
If you would have just stopped, you wouldn't be getting arrested tonight. All you had to do was stop and talk with us. Even if you had hit her, okay? Even if you started the fight, you'd have been summoned for battery. But now that you ran from police, you're getting arrested for the eluding and evading. If you make me run, I'm gonna arrest you.
Now you know she was getting arrested regardless. You not giving her a ticket for battery, man. Like, come on, like, let's be honest. It's funny because the cops always do that. When they do something else, they always say, well, if you would have just listened, it wouldn't have happened like this or whatever. Well, we will never know, right? Because whatever happened, it did happen and it went down that way. But you not giving no summons, no ticket. You not giving a ticket. They arrested. We just seen another video. They arrested a guy for for drinking in public. Like, you talking battery? You not getting no ticket for battery, man. You getting locked up, man.
I didn't do that, you guys. I didn't do that.
Okay, let's keep walking though, okay? We're almost getting there.
Oh my goodness, here we go with the music. Y'all ain't turned that music off yet?
All you had to do was stop and talk with us.
Guys, I didn't know you were coming at me. I really didn't. No, I didn't.
You hit that corner and you put it into gear.
My boyfriend said, let's go eat now. Before McDonald's closes.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm looking at my phone.
Okay, I'll get it right now. It's gonna be right here.
Guys, before you guys asked me to detain or whatever, I promised I was already running.
Okay.
I promise.
Go ahead and stand right here. Face the way to face the unit. Hand me your phone.
Thank you. Please get the music away. And this video is for copyright.
Please, guys, you hit me first. Are you serious? How do I press charges on her? What the When do I get out? How do I press that? What do I do, guys? Please.
Take a deep
You're gonna
breath.
be out Monday. More than likely, you'll be out Monday. Okay? I'm just gonna promise it's not a guarantee, but more than likely, you'll be out Monday. You'll be fine.
It's Sunday. Or it's Saturday. No.
Technically, it's Sunday.
Yeah, that's what happens a lot of times. Hey, if you get locked up on the weekends, there's no judge. You know, sometimes it depends on where you are and where you're getting locked up at or whatever. But if you get locked up and you got to go see the judge, some counties in city, the judge ain't there on the weekend.
Now, so probably Monday. Maybe on Monday. But you gotta, yes, you
I
did.
didn't though.
Listen, the way that it looks on our body cameras and us giving you announcements telling you that you're.
No, I didn't. Here you are.
Your friends are standing over there and they're like, here comes police. And you decided to walk away. You hit that corner.
No, I literally thought you guys were telling everybody to
Take a seat.
All right, just
Take a
sit
seat.
down.
Can I get my phone at least?
No, your
Damn,
phone
she
cannot
gotta
go
eat
with you.
prison food. Or jail
When do I
food,
get
whatever.
Can I at least know the phone number to my boyfriend, please?
At the
Getting
PG's?
arrested too.
Yeah. Go
Why
ahead.
is he getting arrested?
For the same thing.
No.
It's right here.
Oh, okay. All right.
Take a seat. Take a seat. Put your hand in it, okay? Hey, take a seat.
Put your legs inside the police car. Listen, we don't want any more charges. I don't want to charge you with obstruction. I don't want to charge you with resisting. So put your
I
feet in the car.
didn't do that though. I didn't. Look, she broke my nail and everything.
Listen,
Please.
that's an argument for court, not tonight.
Well,
Put your
how
feet in
do
the
I?
car.
Please,
Feet in
can
the
you
car.
teach me how I do that? I don't know how to do. What do I do? If she's obviously trying to press charges against
You'll
me.
have plenty of time to talk to a lawyer. They'll provide you with a public defender if you don't already have a lawyer. Just relax. You're already going for the ride.
What's your name? What's your name?
Am I gonna get a charge about
You need to
Yes.
identify yourself.
Otherwise,
You're not going to get another charge, but if you don't identify yourself to this officer, you will.
I don't understand though. If she hit me first, I don't get why.
okay, we're past that. We've already been told what you were arrested for, okay? So what's your social?
I don't know what my social is though. I really have no idea. I gave you everything.
Do you have any music?
Don't charge another charge against me. I don't know what my
Get
social
another
is.
charge. Writing your name
Oh my God. What the hell with the music? Oh my God. Shut the music off.
We're good.
Guys, what the f? Please help me. She reported
Thank you.
before I even got a chance to. I was standing there.
Okay. Well, you decided to take off running, okay? I can close the door. Thank you.
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct and fleeing an officer. Thanks for watching today's video, and as always, remember to like.
Come on, guys. Y'all supposed to shut that music off, man. Yo, why would y'all put some... Come on, man. Damn. Anyways, yeah, man. The guy just got locked up just on the humbug, man. For what? You wasn't even gonna get locked. You not even involved with the... You know? So you want to run with your girlfriend, so you just got locked up on the house, man. Yeah, let's take you too, man, while you at it. You want to start? Let's go, man. You coming with us. Just off the strength, man. Off the humbug, man. Just come on. Like, what? Why? Like, why would you do that? You getting locked up for fleeing and eluding, and you wasn't even a part of the thing. You just, they want to talk to y'all. You just... Dumbass motherfuckers, boy.